How to take notes while listening. Focus on main topic, key ideas, and examples. Write only short words, not sentences. Use symbols or arrows to save time. Practice and delivery tips. Speak for 30 to 35 seconds. Maintain a steady speed and clear tone. Don't memorize the lecture. Use your notes naturally. Practice 1 to 2 lectures daily to improve speed and confidence.
I think with our linguistic training, we also get all this invisible training to be authorities, to be the people who know. It is part of that process that you come out as a world authority on your chosen subject. But when we move into working with communities, we have to recognize that the communities have to be the authority in their language. Actually, a woman in the class I'm teaching at Sydney at the moment, a career woman, expressed this very nicely. Although she was talking about something else, she was distinguishing expertise from authority. And certainly linguists, because of our training we do, have expertise in certain very narrow areas of language, but we don't have the authority over what to do with that knowledge or what to do with other knowledge that the community produces. I guess for me, the bottom line is languages are lost because of the dominance of one people over another. That's not rocket science. It's not hard to work that out. But then what that means is if in working with language revival, we continue to hold the authority, we actually haven't done anything towards undoing how languages are lost in the first place. So, in a sense, the languages are still lost if the authority is still lost.
The lecture was about linguistic training, and the speaker explained it in detail with some examples. The speaker described that such training often encourages people to be the authority in their subject. It was mentioned that when working with communities, the communities should be the authority in their language. The lecture highlighted the difference between expertise and authority, as linguists have knowledge in narrow areas of language, but not over community knowledge. The speaker also discussed the dominance of one people and said that in language revival, if authority is not shared, languages are still lost. Overall, the lecture emphasized the importance of respecting community authority in language work and provided useful information to understand it better.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe this channel for more videos.